In this video, I will show you how to send USDC to Phantom Wallet. So to get started, go ahead and open Phantom Wallet on your device. So you'll need to convert your USDC to Solana on your wallet before you send it to Phantom Wallet, since there's no way for you to receive or deposit USDC directly to your Phantom Wallet. So go ahead and click on the receive button and select Solana from this list of cryptocurrency. Copy your Solana address on Phantom Wallet by clicking on the copy button or scanning this QR code on the wallet that you are using where your Solana USDC balance is available. Now, once you have deposited your Solana on your Phantom Wallet, head over to the swap section and swap your Solana to USDC. So you'll need to enter the specific amount of your available Solana and convert it to USDC. So make sure that you have enough gas fees to swap your cryptocurrency, and that is how you can simply deposit USDC on Phantom Wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.